Hey everyone, my name is Brooks. I'm a grad student here at Florida State University, and today's question is, what is adequate sleep and recovery? As you know, sleep and nutrition are important components of recovery, but every individual has their specific needs. It's typically recommended that athletes between the ages of 12 and 18 get about 9 hours of sleep every night. Getting enough sleep was something that I actually had to remind myself of recently. I was going to bed too late and getting too little sleep throughout the night, and I woke up overly tired each morning. But I've changed my habits. I go to bed earlier now, get enough sleep, and wake up energized and ready for the day. Don't forget that nutrition is also important to the recovery process. Getting adequate protein is important for muscle growth and recovery, so make sure that you're including it in your meals and snacks. If you want to learn more about sleep, recovery, and everything else sports nutrition, check out the Eat to Win app.